Campaign Monitor Email Marketing Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Campaign Monitor are in the description below. In this review, I'll be sharing my experience with Campaign Monitor, an email marketing platform known for its ease of use, powerful features, and focus on delivering personalized campaigns. Campaign Monitor is designed for businesses of all sizes, particularly those who want a simple yet effective way to manage and optimize their email marketing efforts. One of the standout features of Campaign Monitor is its drag-and-drop email builder. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, this builder makes creating professional-looking emails quick and easy. With a range of customizable templates, you can design emails that suit your brand's identity, and the platform also supports dynamic content, so you can personalize each message for individual recipients. This level of personalization helps improve engagement and drive conversions. Campaign Monitor also excels in automation. It offers powerful workflow automation tools that allow you to create trigger-based email sequences, such as welcome emails, abandoned cart reminders, or post-purchase follow-ups. This automation helps you maintain consistent communication with your audience without requiring manual input every time. Another great feature is the advanced segmentation tools. You can segment your audience based on different factors like location, behavior, and previous interactions, enabling you to send highly targeted and relevant emails. The platform also includes A/B testing, which allows you to test different subject lines, content, and send times to optimize your campaigns for the best results. Campaign Monitor's analytics and reporting are also top-notch. You can track key metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversions in real time, helping you fine-tune your campaigns for better performance. Campaign Monitor is best suited for small to medium-sized businesses, e-commerce brands, and marketers looking for a user-friendly yet robust email marketing tool with strong automation, segmentation, and reporting features. To sum it up, Campaign Monitor is an excellent choice for businesses that want to take their email marketing to the next level with personalization, automation, and insightful analytics. Check the links in the description below for more details.